these two pins here, they are the sensors, or the it's a metal that go onto the carbon that tell where the joystick's going to be. And over the years of use, it wears off carbon. This one and this tab here sit on the carbon, which is on here and here, and it does a reading through this carbon, and it gives it a reading like a potentiometer. And what happens is the black carbon will wear off and it'll cross between these two strips. So what you need to do is mostly just give this a good clean down, especially if your one is failing. Maybe it's reading, it's pushing forward in the game or something, and it's, say you're moving forward and you're not even touching anything. That's what happens. The carbon tends to wear off and crosses these two paths here. You might not see it, but I think once we clean that, you'll see how black that gets. So I get a bit of this towel and give it a clean. See, there's bits of black on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's definitely black on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's little particles of carbon all over that. Alright, I give that a good clean. Now when you're putting this back together, make sure that the two strips, you see there's like those three strips there and these three strips here, they go over the top of the tabs. You got to remember that. If you put it on wrong, it's not going to work. So tab over the tab, and just do that again. See again. It's going to go that way. See how those tabs, top on the side and the top. You see if I turn that over, those three strips will go over the top of those. Put them back together. You see the little, there's a locating lugs on there. Just put them, make sure that there's locating lugs on each one of those. And then this clip goes back over to hold it all together. Alright. So that goes back on. Goes on that way. There. And now we put it all back together again. So yeah, that's just the joystick. I'm not going to bore you with putting the rest of this together because there's plenty of other videos that explain how to put this PSP together. Up, you can see just how much just a little bit of that carbon dust can build up and cause a big problem. But that's fixed it in one direction, but now it's all fixed up. Job done.